So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and today's video I'm going to teach you about how to get back an isolated layer. So let's say you by chance uh, lost all the layers in AutoCAD by the command lay ISO, and now you don't know how to get them back. So it is a very simple, easy command. The command's name is lay on, that means turn on all the layers in AutoCAD. So you just have to type lay on, LAYON, and just press enter, and all the layers that you have missed out, or you have hidden it, or you have freezed it, everything that you have done will be get back all turned on. So but you have to take care in this command, all the layers, even if you don't need it, or AutoCAD will not see that and turn on all the layers on. So that's it for the video. The remember, sketch it down, note it down. The command's name is layon, LAYON, and that will turn on all the layers in your AutoCAD file. So that's it for the video. And if you like the video, then like, share, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.